Hey, how's it going everybody? Welcome to the ScareCorp channel. I'm back here with another video. This time I'm doing a review of the JVC 220 camcorder. You probably saw my unboxing video right around here. And now I just want to show you the picture quality. This is indoors. I just wanted to show you the difference between 720p and 1080p. So we'll be shooting two videos, one after another. So this is part one. This will be the 720p version. Alright, so I have just a couple of things here to display. I want to make this nice and short, maybe 2 or 3 minutes here, and then we can see what the qualities, what the difference is here. So. Alright, so let's just go ahead and take a look. Okay. Again, 720p showcased. So not too bad. HDMI cable here. Okay, that's my ATI Radeon 5830. Alright, so that is 720p. Focus is nice. Alright, so take a look at my 1080p version in 3, 2, 1 up here. Okay, if you haven't clicked there yet, I'm done with this video. Check out the video coming up for part 2. If you have any questions or comments, place them down below. Also, please subscribe to see more of the reviews on this camera and other reviews as well. Talk to you later. Bye.